afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2019 Audi Q7 Premium. This is finished in Samurai Gray Metallic, powered by a supercharged 3-liter V6 and an automatic gearbox. Also optioned with convenience package that's going to give you the Audi side assist with the pre-sense rear cross traffic and exit assist, the Audi phone box with the wireless charging, and heated auto dimming power folding exterior mirrors. Start up here at the driver front wheel. Great shape, no scratches, no curb rash. Tires measured at 930 seconds in service, so plenty of life left on those. I didn't see any dents or dings on the driver door, driver rear door, or quarter panel. And back here at the driver rear wheel, same as the front, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Driver rear bumper, there is a long, I would say a bit of a gouge down the back of the rear bumper. I'm sure you might be able to see that on camera. This is equipped with the tow package. Does have the trailer hitch, factory hitch, and receiver. A little bit of damage down here, just above the passenger rear exhaust. And back here at the passenger rear wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. There's a little bit of a ding, and I believe that may just be cosmetic to that tiny little film of paint protection. Finally up here at the passenger front, same as the other three, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. And we'll take you to the interior. This is optioned with the third row seating. We've got black leather interior. Second and third row do have the power folding feature. You have 3-stage heated outboard seats back here for the rear passengers with their individual climate control. Nice big panoramic sunroof. You've got the Audi all-weather floor mats, front and back. Driver memory settings with lumbar support. Nice pop-up display there for radio navigation. Dual zone climate control up here for the front passengers. And you've got 3-stage heated seats. Got heated steering wheel, multifunction, and current mileage 58514. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, do not hesitate to give us a call, 614-793-1050. Tons of photos of this vehicle on our website. Please check those out at autoassets.com.